Hello student, today we will revise chapter 22 on the move again. So student, in this chapter we already learned about Dhanu's family and we know that Dhanu's family was very poor. So all the member of Dhanu's family and relatives of there are work in other farmers field. So now today first we revise with filling the blanks. So first blank, here you can see that all the relatives have come to Dhanu's house to celebrate which occasion. So student, we know that all the relatives have come to Dhanu's village, Dhanu's house to celebrate Dashera, because we know that student on the Dashera they can change their field on which they work. Now second blanks, all ladies are busy making blank. So we know that student, all the lady, it means Dhanu's mother, Dhanu's auntie, Dhanu's mommy, chachi, sab, all the ladies are busy to making Puran Poli. Next student, Puran Poli is made from blank and blank. So we know that student, Puran Poli was made from jaggery and gram flour. So it's a sweet item and which are made in Dhanu's house. Next, Mukaddam is an agent for blank factories. So Mukaddam, we know that student is a agent of Dhanu's village and he can give a sugarcane factories. It means sugarcane fields to farmers for work on them, and he is a agent for sugarcane factories. Now next, Dhanu's family stay in huts made of blank and blank. So we know that student, Dhanu's family was live in the huts made of sugarcane leaves and sugarcane bamboos. Now next, question answer. Here you can see that first question, did all the farmers in Dhanu's village have their own land? So we know that student, in Dhanu's village, no, only some of the farmers in village have their own land and some of the farmers work on the land of big farmers. So like Dhanu's father, some small farmers have not their own land. They are work on other farmers' land. Now second question, when Dhanu and other children leave the village for 6 months, what happened in the village school? So we know that student, some farmers are leave their village and move to another village for 6 months. It means they are work only 6 months on sugar field, on sugarcane field. So their children are also going with them. They also leave the village with their parents. So some student leave for 6 months to the village. So what happened to the school village? When Dhanu and other children leave the village for 6 months, the village school gets students from the families of big farmers only. So it means small farmers family also leave the village for 6 months. So at that time only a student of big families, big farmers are left in the village. So only few students are joined school for 6 months. Now next question, why does mommy wish that Dhanu should go to school for the whole year and study? So why does mommy wish that about Dhanu should go to school for the whole year and study? So because student mommy wanted Dhanu to study well and get a good job so that he could work independently. It means student mommy thought that like us we are working in field, but I could not wish that our children are also work in field. So that's why mommy wanted Dhanu to study well and get a good job so that he could work independently. Mommy wished Dhanu to become a rich person and even good reputation in the society. So hence, mommy wish that Dhanu should go to school. And that's why student mommy wish that Dhanu go to school and he become a very rich person, and also he got a good reputation in the society, reputation in their village. So that's why mommy wish that Dhanu should go to school. Now next question. During what time of the year did Dhanu's family get works? So, student, in all the seasons, only of the rainy season, some poor families are got work. So that's like this ways, Dhanu's family get work before the rainy season till Dashera. So it's a rules in Dhanu's village that all the families are work for 6 months. It means before rainy season until Dashera. So it's a period of like 5 to 6 months, and in this period, all the poor families are work in other farmers' land. Now next here you can see that about true false. First, Danu's father was the eldest in the family. So is it true, student? Because we know that Danu's father was eldest person in the family, in the all relative of Danu's. So that's why all the family members, all the relatives are come to Danu's house to celebrate all the festival, because his father was eldest in their relatives in whole family. So this sentence is true. Now next sentence. Dhanu's family is rich. So student, is it false? Because we know that Dhanu's family is not rich. It's a very poor family. And that's why Dhanu's family members, his fathers, mothers, and any relatives like aunties, mummies are work in other farmers' field, and they get money for their livelihood. Now next, farmers can work till Dashera in fields. So is it true, student? Yes. This sentence is true because we know that, student, it is rules in Dhanu's village. So all the farmers can work till Dashera in fields, and after Dashera, they got a chance to another families, another farmers. Next, Danu's families does not go sugarcane fields after Dashera. So is it true, student? Because after Dashera, the contract for 6 months to work in sugarcane fields is over. So that's why Danu's families does not go to sugarcane fields after Dashera. Next, mommy does not want Dhanu to study. No, student, is it false? But mommy want that Dhanu to study and become a rich person and got a good reputation, good personality in their village, in the societies. Now next is about a missing letter. So student, for that portion you have to read the lesson from textbook, and if you read, so your discovery your word become strong, and that's why you can fill this portion. So here is first letter. So first word is about Puran Poli. So what is the spelling of Puran Poli? So it is Puranpoli. Next is about Dashera. Dashera. Dussehra. Next word is about sugarcane. Sugarcane. Next word factories. Factories. So student, for this portion you have to read all the lesson from textbook, and that's why you can make your words so strong, and you can fill this portion. So student, watch this video carefully and revise the portion, and also try to write down this PDF from the video to your notebook. Thank you.